Okay, now we have my screen. So hopefully this will work. I've been working on this for a minute. So let me show you what I'm trying to do. I have this is my 14 by 14 mitre hoop in my Embrillance, and I have the Embrillance Enthusiast module, which is necessary in order to do a split hoop. So what I will do now is go into my toolbar, and you will see my cursor. Watch the cursor. Here it is right here. And I have it under the preference icon. When you click on the preference icon, then your hoops will come up. Under environment, you have hoops and you have a lot of different selections here. But over on this side, under format is PES because I have a brother 1055X, PR 1055X, and I'm selecting the jumbo hoop frame, which is a 14 by 14. Now, usually it will be on normal, but I need to put it on multi-position. And once I put it on multi-position, I will hit it again or click it again in order to apply. And then I will hit OK. And as you can see, I now have a split hoop. So what I need to do now is to bring in a design. So I'm going to go over here back to my toolbar and go under my little file here. It looks like a file folder. Under the file folder, you will see several different things to choose from. So I'm just going to choose a big design, and let me make this a little bit bigger so you can see it. Now it is just one design, but I have it here. Make sure I center it. Now I can make this design bigger by grabbing the handles and making it larger. Then I go over here, it looks like a cross, and click it, and it centers it into my design. Now what I need to do is split this. So I'll go over to utilities and go all the way down to almost the bottom, and you will say split into hoop. You click that, and then go ahead and click it, and it is now split. Hopefully you can see um, where it is split. If you look here where my cursor is going, you see this one particular outline, that's for the top. And if I click the bottom, you'll see this outline going down here, and that is for the I'm sorry, this is the bottom. Click here, this is the top. If I go over to object, you will see here top, and all of this is in blue. These are all the colors for top. And then if I go down here and click this, it changes to bottom. Number 2, these are all the colors for the bottom. So the other thing I'm going to do to prove to you that this is split is go over here into file, go under here, go all the way down to print preview. I'm not going to print it, just print preview. You click it, and you will see only half of the design shows up. So that means it's going to stitch half of it. Now you see this little bit over here. This is the bottom part. Anyway, it will stitch. Don't worry about that. I'll close this, and then I'm going to click on the top and do the exact same thing. Hit print preview, and then you will see the top part. This way you know for a fact that this design has indeed split, and you will be able to take the design to your machine. You can send it there wireless, or you can put it on your USB port and take it to your machine. Set your machine up and go ahead and stitch it out. Now I will show you how to hoop it. Hoop your jumbo hoop for your jacket, and set the machine up and everything. and I'll walk you through that. But I just wanted to show you exactly how to split your design in Embrillance for your hoop, for a 14 by 14 jumbo hoop. So I'm going to close this out. If you have any questions, let's discuss that. And then as soon as we're ready, uh, after I've answered all the questions that you may have, then we will go forward and I will show you how to stitch on the jacket. Now I'm not going to do this design because this design would take at least a couple of hours, and we're not going to do that. I have a very less dense design to stitch out that's really cute that I know I can get stitched out on the jacket within a reasonable length of time. So let me go ahead and close out of this, and then I will go forward with the next part of this demo.